What you are seeing now is an ultra-thin, flexible precision material, the FPC Repair Sheet, specifically engineered for LED display maintenance. Visually, it boasts a high-end industrial finish with a thickness of only 0.08 millimeters. This ultra-thin profile means it occupies virtually no physical space, allowing it to adhere to the original PCB surface like a second skin, ensuring the repaired LED beads remain at the same height as the original factory specs. Looking closely at the surface, the golden solder pads utilize an advanced ENIG, Immersion Gold process. This not only provides outstanding anti-oxidation properties, but also ensures long-term electrical stability. The matte black coating provides high visual contrast, helping engineers align pins more clearly during repair. Meanwhile, the heat-resistant material can withstand multiple thermal shocks from soldering without cracking or deforming. To address the complex global LED packaging market, we have developed an extremely comprehensive specification system. From ultra-fine pitches like P0.9375 to P16, we provide every model available on the market, including specialized custom models. Whether you are working with standard 4-pin RGB LEDs, 6-pin configurations with independent terminals for better heat dissipation, or advanced 4-in-1 mini LED packages, we provide the precise pad layout for every requirement. This product directly solves 3 major industry pain points. First, the drop pad issue. When PCB copper foil peels off, causing a module to be scrapped, this repair sheet restores the electrical connection and brings the module back to life. Second, the efficiency issue. It eliminates messy and unstable jump wire repairs. Finally, the yield issue. Optimized line widths and spacing prevent common cold joints or short circuits, significantly reducing rework rates. At LEDscreenparts.com, we understand the critical importance of model matching. Our database currently covers over 300 different types of repair pad sheets. This is the most comprehensive inventory on the market. Regardless of your module brand or pin orientation, there is always a model that fits your needs. Visit LEDscreenparts.com today to get your professional repair tools.